channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix due to local restriction. This content is restricted on X. So it really means that some content were restricted in some region from the X app. So I'm going to show you where you can actually fix that, right? So first of all, you have to click on this profile you can see right there on your screen and click on that. Once you click on that, you click on settings and support, and after that you can see privacy and safety. You click on that as well, and you can click on content you see, click on that and see sensitive media right here. So that's the one you're going to click on. So once you click on it, you can see graphic violence. Click on show all, toggle on that. So once you toggle on that, you go back and toggle on adult content, toggle on show all as well, and it goes as well for this one, other sensitive media. Click on show all, and once you do that settings, it's going to start working for you. But if it doesn't work for you, it simply means it's just a specific content or post account that are being hidden in your region to comply with local laws or government orders. So meaning your government hands are in it, meaning like they don't want you guys to actually have access to that content you're trying to watch, right? If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. My next video. Bye.